everyone, it's Pat Alexandrov. Hope you are doing well, and in this video I will share with you which are the best platforms I've been using throughout the years. I will compare the two platforms that I use the most. This is TradingView that I have on the left, and this is MetaTrader 4 that I have on the right. I will share with you some of the pros and cons for the two platforms, and of course I will explain more about different platforms. So nowadays all the trading brokers, all exchanges and all wallets, they already have platforms. Some of them only have apps on the phone, but others have web versions of their platforms, which is pretty cool because you have a huge choice of different platforms, and most of them are very suitable for beginners. So even you have no any trading experience, just with a few tutorials and guides from the crypto exchange, you can get used with the platform very quickly within a few days or even hours. So of course the first important thing is to choose your broker or crypto exchange that you will be using, crypto wallet. There is so much information over the internet, so it's really your personal decision which crypto exchange or wallet or broker you will be using. So to make it clear from the beginning, these two platforms are developed from third-party companies, and they offer the platforms to the brokers, to the exchanges, and they offer those platforms for free to us, the clients, the traders. Which means that you can use MetaTrader 4 on many brokers, and at the same time you can use TradingView on many exchanges and brokers. And this is pretty cool because by having just two platforms, you actually have the chance to trade on many brokers or on many exchanges. So the first important thing when we're talking about TradingView versus MetaTrader 4 is the fact that both have web versions, which is pretty cool, but MetaTrader should be installed on the computer if you want to trade with expert advisors or the so-called robots. You cannot trade robots on the web version of MetaTrader 4. Now, TradingView, they have some algorithmic trading as well, some ready patterns, and you can backtest some strategies, but for algorithmic trading, I personally prefer to use the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is well known in this field, and it's the trustiest platform for algorithmic trading. It has the backtest. We have the opportunity to trade with many expert advisors, actually up to 99 for one MetaTrader, and you can install many MetaTraders on your platform, which gives you the freedom to trade with hundreds of expert advisors at the same time. Expert advisor stands for robots, alright? So I can say that you can trade as many robots as you wish on the MetaTrader platform, which is not available on TradingView yet. Now, I personally use TradingView for technical analysis and price action trading because it has many features. I like how it looks like. I'm following all the cryptos in there, all coins and altcoins that I'm trading on different charts, and it's super comfortable for me to play some alerts when the price crosses certain level. It gives me a signal on my email. For example, if I wanna know when the Bitcoin crosses the $50,000, I can put an alert. I have a few alerts over here, some of them triggered, but I can easily set, for example, Bitcoin crossing 50K, and all I need to do is to place the level. If I hit on create, it will drop me the alert right over here, and once the price crosses the 50K, it will send me the notification, which is pretty cool. And this is one of the many features on TradingView. The best thing I like about the platform are all those drawing tools that we have, and it looks really nice. We have the dark mode and we have the light mode, and I personally prefer to use the color theme actually to be a dark one. On the other hand, MetaTrader 4 looks a little bit old or outdated, and in some of my videos I have the comments and the feedbacks that I'm using an outdated platform. Actually, it's not. This is how it looks like, okay? The Market Watch, the Navigator, and this platform was created about a decade ago, and they really didn't update the interface. This is why it looks a little bit outdated compared to TradingView or most of the platforms that come from the exchanges. But keep in mind that MetaTrader was developed long before there was the Bitcoin at the first place, okay? So it's a very well tested platform that was used initially for Forex, but now the Forex brokers offer stocks, they offer cryptos with CFD trading, okay? Contract for differences. So most of the brokers that offer actually cryptos and stocks, they offer CFD trading and not real stocks and not real crypto to buy and to sell. Now, some of the MetaTrader platforms offer real stocks, but this usually is on MetaTrader 5, and I will show that later in the course. Alright, so this is the main difference between the two platforms. I use them both. I prefer MetaTrader for algorithmic trading, and I prefer TradingView for manual trading. It's a personal choice which one you will be using. A little bit later in the course, I will show you how to install MetaTrader for algorithmic trading and start step by step. You can use it as well for manual trading, but because we are focusing in this course on algorithmic trading, I will stick to MetaTrader. It's free to use, you can install it without any issues and practice on a demo account so you can test the expert advisors that I have included. Alright, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.